I'm going to talk about calm in chaos. It all starts with a thought. Thought comes from mind, and thought can be positive or negative. If it's positive, you feel good. If it's negative, then what? You can be in office, home, or school, and these thoughts keep coming to you. Thoughts keep on coming because people are sending you thoughts, and most of these thoughts are negative. And if you think about 70 to 80,000 thoughts per day, multiplied by 30 month, multiplied by 12 year, that many thoughts are coming to you, and it has been coming for years, and you have so many thoughts. Sometimes you feel down when you come home. You don't feel like eating. You don't feel like hugging your kids or cleaning the house. I call that mind chaotic. Am I wrong? I don't know. And now you are thinking about vacation because you are tired. You are thinking, oh, I want to take some time off. Oh, I want to go somewhere. And you dream about going into vacation. And yes, vacation day comes, and you go to skiing or Bahamas or yoga meditation retreat. What happens there? You have changed the place, you have spent money to take care of your needs, and yes, there are people to send you again the negative stuff, but you don't mind it, you are enjoying also. But negative things are coming, right? With all these money spent, your mind is still negative going. Now imagine that you sit down for 30 minutes in a meditative pose with, either on chair or on the floor, invite God and change all your negative thoughts to positive. That's number one. And then record, thank you, Jesus, Namo Namo. Thank you, Krishna, Namo Namo. Each time, and think what will do that. Think about it. Let's do some examples. So, your first thought comes, I hate you. And you sit down, invite God, and God has to be invited because He will change the thought from negative to positive, otherwise it may not happen. And yeah, sure, this thing happened, and this is my husband, I love him, he loves me, and this is all okay. After recording this, you say, thank you, Jesus, Namo Namo. Thank you, Krishna, Namo Namo. Keep on doing that for 10 times. I did one time, and then thank you, Jesus, Namo Namo. Thank you, Krishna, Namo Namo. This is second time. So you keep on going for 10 times. Next time it says, you don't like me. And you say, yeah, this thing happened. This is my son. And he's a good student. I love him. He loves me. And things happen like that. Throw that negative out. Record this. And then you record, thank you, Jesus, Namo Namo. Thank you, Krishna, Namo Namo. Thank you, Jesus, Namo Namo. Thank you, Krishna, Namo Namo. And keep on doing that 10 times. It's not that hard. And then third time he says, you don't talk to me. And you say, yes, I know. I was in office, my daughter came, I was busy. I said, right now I can't talk to you. But 5-10 minutes later, I talked to her. Things happen in life, and we have a very good relationship. So throw the negative out, record the positive, and say, thank you, Jesus, Namo Namo. Thank you, Krishna, Namo Namo. Thank you, Jesus, Namo Namo. Thank you, Krishna, Namo Namo. I said 2 times, and you are going to say that each time 10 times. For people who don't do this, they have negative things coming, and that creates mental clot. Mental clot brings blockages in your body, here, 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 you know. And I'm not kidding. I know some people who had a problem in the breast and some here. So it's coming because they have mental clots and they have problem in the breast. So they went to the doctor, stayed 1 week in the hospital, clean it out, but then who will clean the clots? If you don't clean the clots, couple of years later you go there again. So this is up to you. And then you say to your mind, soul is pure soul, I am a divine soul, I have a relationship with God, I send God blessing to all, I don't want anything from anybody, I am trying to teach my mind positive things, I am trying to become emotionally independent, I want to make my peace mind and stable life. And some people say, I don't have time, or they say, oh, I want to do it fast. So there is no magic bullet. This is as best as you can do it. Promise you. Any questions? Thank you.